Hey everyone, today I want to bring you a unique experience by showcasing the unboxing and review of the Redmi K70 Pro on a plane. Firstly, let's take a look at the packaging design of the Redmi K70 Pro. The moment I open the box, there is a black phone case inside along with a Type A to Type C charging cable. I personally don't like Type A to C charging cables, but it comes with a powerful 120 watt charger. I choose the bamboo moon blue color of the Redmi K70 Pro, but I guess it's green. I find this color quite appealing, the simple and elegant design. The Redmi K70 Pro features the Light Hunter 800 main camera, which supports optical image stabilization. I want to show you the photo quality you can get. The camera supports 20x zoom for photos. And when you shooting videos with the Redmi K70 Pro, it supports 10x zoom. The front camera is 16 megapixel, which doesn't support 4K video recording. It only supports 720p at 30 fps and 1080p at 30-60 fps video recording. The rear camera supports 8K video recording at 24 fps, and it also supports 4K 30 and 60 fps. The Redmi K70 Pro is equipped with the latest screen fingerprint unlocking technology, but the fingerprint position is a bit low. The Redmi K70 Pro's appearance is very eye-catching. There is an infrared port and a microphone at the top, as well as NFC, but there is only one speaker on the bottom. A Type-C charging port supporting USB 2.0, a microphone, and a card slot. Please note that it does not support wireless charging. The feel of this color is also very good, making the overall appearance look very noble in my hands. The Redmi K70 Pro has a frosted glass back cover. This type of glass has resistance to fingerprints and smudges. I don't get it why Redmi uses a 1.3mm thick material next to the rear camera. Maybe it's just for protect the camera and improve its performance. The rear camera configuration includes a 50 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, and 50 megapixel light hunting 400 portrait lens. It supports 1 second 30 shot burst shooting. It is also the first time that Redmi supports Xiaomi's night owl algorithm. The K70 Pro's Antutu benchmark score is 2.1 million, exceeding the Redmi K70 Pro equipped the second generation 2K Chinese screen with C8 material and a medical certified eye protection features to provide users with a higher level of visual enjoyment. The screen size is 6.67 inches with a peak brightness of 4000 nits, supporting 3840 Hz high frequency PWM dimming. The screen also supports 120 Hz. The Redmi K70 Pro's performance is its biggest selling point. The third generation Snapdragon 8 Gen chip, the ferocious engine 3.0, and the eye-sealed cooling system ensuring excellent performance in various scenarios. The Redmi K70 Pro supports Xiaomi's HyperOS software, providing users with a smoother and more silky user experience. I will conduct another review of the Redmi K70 Pro after using it for a week. So see you in the next video for the 1 week review of the Redmi K70 Pro. Thank you very much for watching and for your support. Catch you in the next one. Bye.